Good night, my name is Santiago Edixon Moreno Preciado, and I'm again going to talk to you about the analysis of the song Living on a Jet Plane that I choose. It seemed to me a very sad song since he leaves and asks her to wait for him, that he wants to see her again, to kiss her again despite all the mistakes and vicissitudes. He thinks that she still loves and misses him, but he has to go and he is hating to say goodbye and walk away from her. This is a song of forgiveness in which he asks his partner not to forget him, that he will always miss her and will always be thinking of her. He shows in the lyrics of the sings a sincere and selfless love. I think I would feel the same, although there are singers or bands that sing with more feeling than others. This will influence the feelings and thoughts of people and on oneself, since there are performers who know how to reach the minds and hearts of people, more than others regardless of age, race, or gender. Finally, I thought it was a very nice song to dedicate to one's partner when one has to go a trip and has to leave them alone. But despite the distance and time they separate us, and where we won't be able to see each other, or carry, kiss, or hug, I will always carry you in my mind, in my heart. Thank you very much.